Hello and welcome to this video where I will show you how to use Sopas Engineering Tool 2008. We're going to use an emulator today because as you can see here, we have a device search and we don't have any device connected. So I'm going to show you how to use the emulators in Sopas Engineering Tool 2008 version 4. So we're going to use the emulator. We're going to choose the emulators here. And as you can see, there comes a lot of cameras. There is the Inspector series. We have a P150, a really nice camera. We have a Tri-Spectre. And today we're going to show you how to use the Inspector P150. So we're going to choose it. It's going to start the emulator. In a few seconds we will see the device. As you can see here, the device has popped up. We have chosen the Inspector P150. And we ain't gonna set so much parameters up today because we are emulating, so we're gonna open the device window. So just 1 second. Just here you can see, as you can see here, we are in the Sopas now, and it's simulating an object. And the first thing we have to do is to teach the object so we can work with it. And as you can see here, we have a teach reference object, and we click on it. It's gonna teach the object. And today I'm gonna show you how to use the object locator. And we're gonna set this around the object here. As you can see, it's have a green contour all the way around. It means it have written all the object. If this contour would be black, it means it haven't read the right side, so we have to make it bigger. But as you can see, it have written it. First we have the image settings where you can set the triggers, and if you want some turning off the internal light, you can turn it off, and so on. Next we're gonna set the object locator, how exactly is gonna the model be at its reading. Is the match gonna be more than 50%? Have it to be 80? Allow rotation, allow objects anywhere in the image. I will actually show you this straight ahead how this works. So we're gonna click here and go to the live image, and as you can see, the pixels are jumping around in the frame and it's reading it all over. But if you're gonna turn the allow object anywhere in image from, so you can see we actually have a problem here. And this is common use where you have a product line and the object have to be exactly a place on maybe a table or a conveyor or something. It have to be the exact place, and as you can see here, it's not the exactly place. It cannot read it, and this is what this function it actually does. If it didn't matter where the object will be, we can just allow the object anywhere, and it will just see if the object contour is right. You can see here we have some digital output and digital output. As you can see now, it's set that out 1 not locate, out 2 digital out 3 all pass. That means that when it hits one of these, it will give an output on one of these channels. And here we will see the result. You can see the result, object 1 is all passed. So it will give active output on the 3rd port. And as you can see here, we have set it all passed on the 3rd. If we go back to the object locator and not allow the object anywhere in the image, you can see it will not always give an output. It will jump and it will go over to 1 and 1 means it's not locating the object. Yes, and that's actually all for this video. Next time I will show you how to use the next tool, the edge pixel counter, and if you have any question, please please send me a mail.